Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys more information about the Echo of Ancients event, like the festival event that's coming up in about, oh my gosh, in like 3 days. I don't know why I'm looking there. There's no date. So today is the 26th. Okay, 3 more days. So these are more like preparations that you need for the event. You actually need to plant vegetables for this. I'm not 100% sure again if this is what you need to prepare for the event. But basically, you will need these vegetables. You'll need tomatoes, which takes only 15 minutes to grow, carrot, corn, and eggplant, which I'm not sure, but you also need to be level 7 of the DG member level to be able to join this festival. And then for the fruits, I thought it was only going to be blueberries and apples, but now you also need raspberries and tangerines, and strawberry, pineapple, and grape. So, might be wrong, but I'm going to just plant these just in case, and you should do that too. So these are the like new recipes that I found online. Here, I'll put it on the screen right now. Ta-da! So you might want to prepare for that. I will plant the corn first because corn takes like 12 hours to grow. What? Okay. And then eggplants take 7 hours, carrots takes 2, and tomato you can basically plant them later when the festival has arrived because it only takes 15 minutes. So don't worry about the tomatoes in my opinion. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!